Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about the different types of grasses. There's so many different types of grasses, and there's the grass that you use for your lawn, and then there's ornamental grasses, and then there's plants like the mondo grass that really isn't even a grass at all. It's more of a bulb or a lily. And they're beautiful plants, all of them. So let's discuss just a few of the grasses and how they're used. So when you have your lawn grasses, you have cold climate grasses and warm climate grasses. And so for cold climates like the Northwest, the Kentucky bluegrasses work really well, or ryegrass works really well in the lawn. Whereas if you live in a really warm climate, then the zoysia grass or Bermuda grass or centipede grass or even St. Augustine grass is really good grass to use in your lawn if you live in a warm climate. And then we have all the ornamental grasses. And believe it or not, in ornamental grasses, bamboo is really a grass. And I always thought it was a tree, but it's a grass. And so it grows just like grass. It just has a little root and then the stems. And there's different types of bamboo. There's the running bamboo, which just takes over, that you have to keep contained. And then there's the more clumping bamboo that gets really tall and doesn't run, that is fine in the garden without being in a container. And then we have Mexican feather grass and pampas grass and reed grass that grows right in water. And then there's always the mondo grass that we talked about that's really a lily that we like to call a grass. And then if you get into the New Zealand Flaxes, which are really types of grasses, they get really tall and look just gorgeous sword plants. So whatever type of grass that you grow, make sure that you give it enough sun. Grass really likes full hot sun and good composted, good drainage on the soil. They never want to sit right in a bog of water or right on clay. So you can grow ornamental grass or long grass pretty much anywhere the sun shines and you have good drainage. And they're all beautiful plants for your yard.